Tesage Bukuro has so many variations. Here is one style of Tesage Bukuro that you can use to carry a tablet or books. It's a cute way to showcase a simple bow in front. I'm using the Infinite Shippo print from our Wagara collection. Lay a furoshiki with the printed side down and turn it diagonally so one corner faces you. Place your tablet or book on the bias. Bring the closest corner over your item so the two opposite corners line up. Take the two remaining corners and make a bow. Make a double knot for a handle. Pretty easy, right?